Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Now today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new what is this? ANBERNIC RG35XX H. I just received it just a few moments ago or just an hour ago. So watch this video. Okay, so forgive my very small desk as of this time. So just recently received this box from the courier. It was delivered early this morning, or it was yesterday. So by the way, I will post or I leave the link in the description box where I got this item. So I ordered black, and hopefully this guy is very he replied to all my inquiries, and he's a very good guy. So hopefully I got the color that I wanted. Now honestly, I was about to cancel this. I guess there's an incident that happened, unfortunately. Unfortunate, by the way. Thank you to Erwin Moran, bro, maraming salamat. Okay, so ito na siya. It's wrapped very nicely in a box. Okay, so it was delivered very fast. This came from all the way from China, and very cheap. Okay, thank you so much. I was given a very nice price for this. So let me carefully open this. So I was thinking or planning of selling this after testing. Wow. Oh, look, the box is very nice. It's very high quality. Okay. Yeah. Okay, nothing here. Let me carefully put this in. The smell's also good. They said don't smell whatever is in the box, but you know, I don't know. So it comes with a protector or like a foam right at the front. So this prevents the damage during transportation or during during transportation or during being transferred. Oh my god. Yeah, this is very nice. Yeah, this doesn't look like a a cheap one. The build quality is very nice. So it comes with it has a USB-C for two, and one says OTG2 and OTG1, and it has a mini HDMI out and a speaker phone, and I understand this is a reset button, and it also has an R1 or a trigger right at the top. Yeah, and holding this, oh my, it feels really nice and comfy. And this one, it came with an SD card. This is by default, it comes with an SD card, and I hope that, yeah, it just says 64 gig. I believe this is just an ordinary SD card. So maybe in the next video we'll have a look at it. So let me just put it back carefully right here. Okay, and the battery is built in, as they say, based on the reviews that I have already watched on other YouTube channel. They said that the battery lasts longer. Okay, so there's a power button. So since this is an unboxing, I'm not going to turn this on yet. So let's check the box. Okay, so this very made of plastic, and it comes with wet wipes. No, this is to clean the screen. So because I understand, it also comes with a screen protector. Okay, and of course the manual or instruction on how to use the device. I believe this comes in different languages, so hopefully it does. Yeah, it also comes, it comes in English, and for our Chinese brothers, they have the Chinese version of it on the other side. Okay, and what do we have here in the small box? Okay, there's a small box position on the side, so let me just try and open this carefully. And I hope I won't damage it. So it comes with a USB type A to USB type C connector. Let's see. Well, oh, this is very long, so roughly around 1 meter. Okay, so roughly around 1 meter in length, the USB charging cord. Okay, so okay, so I believe that's it. That's all for this. That's also, let me just put it back. But like I mentioned, the quality, the build quality of the ANBERNIC RG35XX H, which is very difficult. I have no idea how they come up with such name, but yeah, RG35XX H. And it says here the voltage rating is 5 volts to 7.5 watts. It has a lithium polymer battery, 3.8 volts, 3.3 amps or 3300 milliamps, and adapter input should be 5 volts to 1.5 amps. Okay, that is the required. Okay, the required charger. It doesn't come with its own charger, but it comes with a USB-C cord for you to. So, okay, so there you have it. That's the unboxing of the ANBERNIC RG35XX H. Okay, so there you have it. You have seen the unboxing of the RG35, the ANBERNIC RG35 or RG35XX H. And on my next video, I'm going to try and test all the included video games on the 64 gigabytes that is included on the base, I should say base model of the ANBERNIC line, like this. This one is, I understand they have the previous model. It comes, the design is like a Game Boy like design. It's in a horizontal or on a vertical design, just like the Game Boy, the usual Game Boy. But I think they get the design from what you call the Steam Deck. But this is very nice. The hand, when you hold it like this, the weight is also not that heavy. I think that this is really good. Let's say if you're playing, I'm not really into games. I plan to buy this before so that I can review this new product, because it seems like this is a very good choice for those who is on the go, always on travel, and they want to spend their hours or while waiting in worst Philippine traffic or Manila traffic. They can play games during their commute, and I believe this is just one way, or one of the best way of using your time or wasting your time in your during the traffic hours. But hey, there you have it, there you go. So if you want to see the full video or the how I'm going to test this, or whatever is installed, or all the games installed, pre-installed in this ANBERNIC RG35XX H. Okay, so just watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. On my next video, I'm going to try and test this one for you. Okay, so have a nice day.